This is an instructional video to show how to color code the different parts of meal. In the last lesson, you learned the different parts of an argumentative paragraph by using the acronym MEAL. Assigning different colors to each section can help you to both identify each of the parts, and it can help you remember to include all the pieces when you have to write an argumentative paragraph. Starting with the letter M for make a claim, we're going to use the color yellow, kind of like the top bun of your burger. Next, look at the E for evidence. We're going to make that red for the red meat of the burger. After that, we have A for analysis. The color for analysis is pink. Not sure I can make a connection to the burger metaphor, but let's just say that you have some fancy new fixins for your burger and that no one has seen them before. The analysis is where you make new meaning of your evidence for the reader, so that fits, right? Last, we have L for logical conclusion. Since this is where we tie back to the main claim in your first sentence, it is also yellow like the bottom bun of your burger. Remember this paragraph from the last lesson about red vines and Twizzlers? On the next slide, you're going to try out the color coding system to identify where this paragraph makes a claim. Remember, the claim is a strong topic sentence, and it states what the whole paragraph will be arguing. We're going to use yellow to highlight that sentence. When you click on the next slide in Nearpod, it will look like this. First, what you need to do is find the highlighter tool at the bottom and click on yellow for make a claim. If you want, you can adjust the size of the highlighter. You're going to find the sentence that makes a claim and you're going to highlight it in yellow. After that, don't forget to hit submit in the bottom right corner.